Real is the slogan that you always speaking, but you a different person during the week than versus the weekend. Your persona's hurting, leaking. Dog, you need some tweaking. Other things you holding really worth keeping. Your bad attitude, your bad mood, your one bad dude. Feels he's always got something to prove, but let's lose the facade, move a little closer to God and really get real, I know that it might sound odd, cause our culture is married with contradiction. It's hard to decipher what's true and what's fiction. We feel the friction, cause we've been conditioned by the media and by the emerging hip-hop tradition. We listen to artists spit their twisted philosophy, but live differently. Are they confused? Possibly. They're not responsibly living, but I become purpose-driven and made a conscious decision to always be real since I've been divinely forgiven. You can't look at me and actually see the incision, but it's no secret. If you're real with your creator, with yourself and with your peeps, that defines how you keep it.
Who keeps it hot? We come off the top, spit flows that rock. Who keeps it gully? Fitted caps and scullies, say no to these honeys. Who keeps it hot? We come off the top, spit flows that rock. Who keeps it like the Colonel? Went into the infernal, got life eternal. Ayo, back in 99, yeah, I had the flow. Up in high school, got high dude. Off the music I wrote, off the music I write. You can recite and get life. I pray to God that I'm living it right. Yeah, I ain't never been a saint, man. I'm a fat kid, so I love seeing cake, man. Gotta pray on that, so I stay on track. Fall back, demons tryna make me crack, right? Roll with a squad that always got my backside, to the point where I'm feeling about to backslide. And Jay Christ, he done raised the kid. Now I'm up in the studio with Julio, whoever that is. Matter of fact, that's my man, Young Elijah. Rob Hodger Wiseman is coming to y'all projects. So when you ask who keeps it off the chains, there's only one name in my brain, and that's Jesus, man. Who keeps it hot? We come off the top, spit flows that rock. Who keeps it gully? Fitted caps and scullies, say no to these honeys. Who keeps it hot? We come off the top, spit flows that rock. Who keeps it like the Colonel? Went into the infernal, got life eternal. Take them to the bridge. I'm from the land where the players play, where everybody's on the grind like every day. I'm from the land where the ballers ball with cornrows in their hair like AI, y'all. I'm from the land where the players play, where everybody's on their grind like every day.